Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This red color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 5,990s. What we expected yesterday was we expected that crude has got the potential to maintain its downtrend, and also we had identified yesterday that this 6000 and 6020 here in this particular area, we had identified that the market was taking some support here. So this is going to be the area for yesterday's market. We had identified this in our yesterday's video analysis. And this will act as a major support 5,966. Now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, you can see straight away it looks like a continuation of what happened on the previous day, because if you see the previous day's price closing and yesterday's price opening, the price pattern and also seeing the candlestick, it looks like a continuation of what happened on the previous day. Straight away the price went and tested this zone of 6006, 6020. We know that it should act as a resistance to push the price down. So what it did exactly, it was pushing the price down to 6000. It came down till 6970s, and we know that this 5966 can act and as a major support also, because on the previous day we had noticed that the price was really struggling to come down below 5960s. So it acted as a support and push the price towards 6000 and 6020 zone. The price was quite comfortable staying within this, and also it had provided a short term breakout, and the price tried to reach 6040s. Now what it would try to do was it will try to convert this into a support like what it did earlier, but there was a constant failure. You can see the price was taking a lot of resistance in this 6020 zone. That pushed the price straight away towards this 5970s again. We know this is also a support, so there was a bounce back, and again the price was coming down, and constantly this 5960 was acting as a good support. Whenever we say a support or resistance, it is not a single line, it is a zone, because people may be interested in buying this a bit earlier. So what happened? Straight away the price again entering into this 6000 and 6020 zone, which means that there is some buying happening around this 6000 and 6020 zones. So you can see there was a lot of consolidation within this zone like what happened on the previous day. So we had identified this zone exactly and clearly in our yesterday's video analysis. So constantly the price was consolidating here, and finally we got a closing around 6020. So this type of price pattern is quite normal in any market after a fall. That is the reason yesterday we clearly identified the major zone where you need to put all your focus. That is the purpose of this video analysis also. So after a very long price fall, so it is quite normal for price to give a consolidation with the trend. This is what called consolidation with the trend. So you see, whenever there is price is bouncing back, always there was a selling. So there was a steep selling here, and there will be profit booking. So this is what we call as consolidation with a trend. Now let us see the open high low close analysis. Yesterday's market price opening compared to the previous day. Yesterday's market price opening was much lower compared to the previous day. It could not create a new high, but it had not created a new low also. And comparing the price closing was a bit higher than the yesterday's market price opening and the previous day's price closing. Now let us see how it looks like when we add all our Goodwill charting tool. You know that all the candlesticks and everything is the same, just I had added all the important Goodwill charting tools. So when the price opens, our charting tool clearly indicates that so this is again some important level by showing a buy signal as a rule. You know that since the price was trading below this green color moving average line, you should think twice or you should leave any buy signal. So here it had provided another signal indicating that the momentum can be in the downside, and we know that this is also a major support. So what happened, the price straight away went up. Here again in the same area our charting tool indicating, okay, this is another major resistance, so the price is going to break another resistance. So it clearly indicated by providing a buy signal. To certain extent the price went up, and again here if you can notice that the price is loosening its momentum for buying, so it provided a sell signal, so straight away the price came down. Then again when the price is moving above this particular zone of 6000, it is providing you an indication that again there is a momentum for buying, so that pushed the price to certain extent, and finally the price closed here. If you notice our charting tool, even in a consolidation zone, it has got a great ability to identify key areas. So that is what we are always stressing, that the importance of looking into the major zone. So in the video analysis we will tell you which is the major zone where you need to put your focus. So our charting tool can accurately pick that zone, the exact zone, and provide you a valuable trade signal, so that you can be confident in taking any entry, and you are going to take any trading decision based upon a valuable reason. So that is the importance of this video analysis and the charting tool whatever we are providing to you. So now let us see what we can do today. The expected price opening can be somewhere near 6020, where it closed on in the near the yesterday's price closing. You can expect the market to open based upon the Mcx price direction. We are predicting the price opening. It may be subject to changes based upon the rupee dollar factor. Since we are posting this video presentation earlier, we cannot take that into account. So today also we are expecting crude oil to continue its downtrend, but there is a difference between a short term trend and long term trend. Since the price has dropped, that you can expect some bounce back, a pullback, a retracement. If you notice this very clearly, the last 2 days the market had formed a platform within this 6000 and 6020 zone. So we cannot deny this fact. Somebody is entering into this and they are trying to convert this zone into a major support. If the price is staying above this particular area, the market can likely give a bounce back towards 6066, which is the another resistance here, because you can notice that the price was taking a lot of resistance. So once the price is entering near the resistance, there will be selling, because have in mind the trend is down. You are expecting a short term momentum buying, just a pullback. So if the price is not comfortable staying above these key two areas, then again our charting tool can provide you a signal, because it is going to be a breakdown, because of, you know that 6000 is a psychological zone. So you can expect the price to come down and test 5960, and even it can come down till 5932, also the next target zone. Put your focus on this particular 6020 zone. You can pick this point using our charting tool. Let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.